Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to embed a video in ConvertKit. So here I have a sample email. You can come here and click on this plus icon to add a block, okay? That is one thing you can do. So you just scroll down until you see video and then you click on it, okay? Or what you could also do is just press enter and then type in /video. Okay, and choose video right there. And to embed, we need to choose URL, right? And they support YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia, right? Just go to your YouTube channel or any of those websites, copy the link address, okay? So just right click on the video, click on copy link address. As you can see, link has been copied. And then what we'll do, we'll come back to ConvertKit and paste in that URL, okay? You can resize this as you wish, but then we can just go ahead and preview as well. So this is what it would basically look like. If you want, I can even preview it and show it to you. So that is how you embed a video in ConvertKit.